Fab here, and today we have the fan on, therefore I am glowing. Anyways, what? I don't even know what's happening, you guys. The fan is on, it's hot, here I am. Anyways, we are going to be doing the finale for the GraveYard project pan. You guys know that I love this project. I've done it for the past 2 years now, last year and this year. Anyways, we started this at the very end of April 30th, and we've been updating every other month. Therefore, on Halloween today, I'm not filming this on Halloween, obviously. I thought I was gonna film this with my like Halloween look on, but I still don't know what it's gonna be, and it's only the 28th, so I still have 3 more days to decide. But I'm for sure probably gonna do something because I do have the day off, hence Halloween. Anyways, so we're going to do the finale for this project right now. I am going to start with the items that are less than impressive and finish off with the items that I finished because I have a couple and it's exciting. So anyways, make sure you go and check out all of the other ladies after you're finished with my video to see everybody's finales and how everybody did. But I'm so happy that EmilynMax decided to bring this back again this year, and hopefully we will be doing it again next year because it truly is a helpful project to really get those last few things, to get that extra push of products out of your collection. So here I am. I'm going to do the finale and show you what I have finished and used and not used. You know. Okay, the first item that I literally have not used once since the last update, simply because I have been testing out so many different eyeshadow palettes and I've totally forgotten that this was even in a project at all. This is the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Amaze. I know I was trying to finish this by the end of the year, but it just didn't happen. I'm not even going to show you guys a side-by-side because I don't have any additional progress on this. But anyways, so no additional progress on that. That's okay. I'm fine with that. That can stay in my collection. It's still perfectly usable and perfectly good, and I'll just, you know, keep working on it naturally, I guess. Another thing that I've only used 2 more additional times is the Too Faced Sun Bunny Bronzer. I really thought I was going to be able to finish this, but you guys, I just like this in the summertime. It is way too glowy on my skin for any other season. I keep it in my drawer just in case if I'm in the mood for a glowy bronzer, but truly there's nothing to really update you on. Some of the edges, like up here in this top corner, are very, very low, very close to hitting pan, especially after those 2 additional uses. But I'm just not in the mood for a glowy bronzer at this point in the year. I really am enjoying my very matte bronzers and a slightly glowy blush and a slightly glowy highlight. I don't even like a glowy highlight right now either, so that's kind of where I'm at with that. Okay, another item that I put in the last update, I really have gotten very, very few uses on. I think I've used this about 4 additional times from putting this into the project, but it is the Bite Beauty lipstick in the shade Cancer, and you guys, it is beautiful, but I'm just not using this one right now. I really don't even think I'm gonna put in a comparison photo, especially if it's not really comparable because I've only used it a couple of times, but I am still really enjoying it. It is the lipstick that I have on my lips today. I think it looks really, really good with this look, and of course I'm like super glittery today because I was in the mood. And I took out the stopper of my Stila Glitter and Glow from my Partners in Cream project pan. That's what it's called. Anyways, I'm glad I got an additional couple uses out of that out of the last couple of months, and I do want to finish this completely at some point, and I probably need to do it soon considering that Bite Beauty is a food grade product line and they do go bad sooner, so I don't want to declutter that one. I really do like it. Okay, I did get a handful of uses out of this one. This one is now halfway gone. So this is the Amore Pacific. This is just like the moisturizer. We are halfway on this, and I'm just gonna keep this on my dresser. Sorry, you can hear the dogs running around outside on our hard floor, but I'm gonna just keep this on my dresser to use an additional however many number of times to get this completely used up. And I do really like this. However, I don't love it. It's not my favorite moisturizer, and I guess I just don't see the hype around it. Maybe like name brand or something, I don't even know. But I'm not loving it, but it's an okay moisturizer. Okay, something that I put in the last update as well is this Ulla Henriksen Transforming Walnut Scrub, and we are now right here, you guys. I just looked at my last video and we were up at the K. We were all the way up here and we are now right here. So we went all the way down to the L. So from the K to the L, I think that is amazing progress for just 2 months. I was only using this in the shower exclusively, not in the sink, like at night washing my face or anything like that. Just in the shower, and I love this, you guys. The scrubby bits are quite abrasive, but if you just rub very, very gentle on the skin, they are very nice, and the smell is phenomenal, you guys. This smells so good. Every time I put it in my hand, I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I squeeze a little in my hand and I rub it in my hand and I go, and I take a big breath in. It smells so good. I want like a perfume that smells like that because it smells so like earthy but like sweet and like savory, like pancakes almost. I don't even know, but like walnut pancakes is what I get out of this smell. Oh my god, it smells so good, but it's like earthy at the same time. It's not too sweet. I really love this, you guys. And I am actually gonna keep this in the shower. I do have my Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion in the shower as well, but sometimes I like to switch it up and put this one on instead. So I'm gonna just keep that in my shower until hopefully it's used up at some point. We shall see, you never know. It might end up in the project next year. Who knows? Okay, you guys, I have 2 more products to talk to you guys about, and this one is super, super exciting. Guess what? I finished a powder! Oh my god, I'm so excited, you guys. So I completely cleaned out this Wet n Wild Take on the Day mattifying powder in the shade Matte About You. There is nothing left in here, you guys. So to finish this out, I ended up like scraping it out with my finger and like breaking it apart with the end of my brush, and then using it as like a loose powder and putting it all over my eyes, setting my eye primer or my concealer, whatever I was wearing that day. And that's how I ended up using this up. I thought I was gonna put it in with my like face powder, but I was like, no, because that's not really using it up. I wanted to use it up in a fair way. And I'm so happy I did, because this is completely gone. I was using this exclusively as my only like eye setting powder, and she's gone, you guys. I'm so happy I finished an item. This product has been going on for so long. And I mean so long, it's not even funny. I do believe I did post this on my Instagram too, because I was so excited when I finished it. I could not physically contain myself. So I will show you the progress photos of this as it went throughout this project. Yes, this is a finished item. I know it's only like, I don't even know, probably between like $3.99 and like $6.99, but still, I finished a powder and I win. Okay, another super exciting item that I totally finished, and I cannot believe that I actually finished it. I'm so proud of myself on this one, you guys. I really truly can't believe I finished it, but this is the Trader Joe's Pumpkin Body Butter. It was delicious for this time of the season. Smelled amazing, and look! I completely cleaned it out, you guys. I can't even believe it myself. Like, even looking back, I'm like, how did I even do that? So you guys saw in my last photo, I will put like progress photos up so you guys can see how it progressed, but you guys know that I had just like a big pan in the middle, and then it was starting to come down on the sides. So what I ended up doing, instead of expanding the pan in the middle, I was like, you know what, I really need to use the sides. So I started just scraping on the sides. So every day after my shower or at night, I would either put it on my feet, or after my shower, I would put it on my whole body. So it was getting used every single night. Some nights just a tiny bit on my feet, and other nights quite a bit on my entire body, but I was scraping the edges first. So I would start on one side, scrape it down, and then, you know, next couple of, I don't even know, 4 or 5 days, I would start on the next side and scrape it down. And the next 4 or 5 days, same thing, until I was like, huh, I have it like all scraped down on the bottom. Now I need to start working on expanding the pan for real. So I started expanding it, and then I got down to my last day and I was like, oh my God, I don't even have enough lotion to do my whole body. What am I gonna use now? So I started using a different body lotion, which is very weird to me because it takes me so long to finish these. But you guys, I'm so proud of this pan here. I don't even know, this was not even super expensive. This was actually purchased off of a recommendation from Jackie from Jack's Lorraine. And I do love, love, love this body butter. However, body butters are not my favorite because they are so thick. You would think like a dry skin gal would love that, but it just felt sticky to me. Like I felt like I had to get in front of the fan and like bring my arms out and like stand there and like not move. It was very strange. But anyways, I finished this, so we have 2 successful finished items in this project. And if that's all I finished, I'm a winner because these 2 have been kicking around for a very long time in my collection, and I am more than happy to call them empties. So anyways, I hope you guys all enjoyed this finale. I hope it was as exciting for you as it was for me, and hopefully it's just as exciting for all of the other ladies that are joined or that are involved in this project as well. But anyways, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I hope you all have a wonderful day or night. Especially being Halloween, I hope you have a wonderful Halloween night, whether you're trick-or-treating with your kids or not. We will not be partaking just because I work at a hospital. We have tons of COVID patients, and you know, we think that that's a little bit of an unnecessary risk for everyone else, but and unfortunately we won't be passing out candy because of that reason as well. But we are still going to be dressing up and trick-or-treating from inside of our own house. My dad and my stepmom are coming, and we're gonna just enjoy it as we go. So anyways, have a wonderful, safe, and beautiful night tonight, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.